In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication in Stack. Let's begin by making our way to the Stack Build and Operate website. This is the foundation, or the starting point, where we'll log into our account. So go ahead, open your preferred web browser, and type in the URL www.build.stackct.com/account/login. Once you're there, you'll see the screen where you need to log in. Now click on the Login button to proceed. Make sure you're using your correct login credentials, the email and password associated with your Stack account. If this is your first time logging in, ensure that your password is as strong as possible. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Once logged in, the next thing we want to do is navigate to our profile settings. Unfortunately, as of now, Stack does not offer a direct option for setting up two-factor authentication in the web app from the profile settings. However, keeping our accounts secure is critical, so the best alternative available is regularly updating our password. Even though it might seem cumbersome, changing your password frequently is one of the simplest ways to enhance your account security. Head over to your profile by clicking on My Profile. This option should be visible once you're in your account. Now that you're in your profile, look for the option that says Change Your Password. It should be right there, prominently displayed on your profile page. Click on it. It's crucial to remember that your new password should be distinct from your previous ones. Try to combine elements such as symbols, numbers, and a mix of letters to make it less susceptible to hacks. During this process, make sure you jot down your new password somewhere safe or use a password manager if you tend to forget. To sum it up, as a temporary workaround while Stack develops a two-factor authentication feature, diligently updating your password remains your primary line of defense. Additionally, be alert to any unauthorized access or unusual activity in your account. And there you have it. Even though we can't exactly set up two-factor authentication in Stack at this time, taking preventive measures like regularly updating your password makes your account tougher to crack. Thanks for sticking around, and remember, your online safety is in your hands. Until next time, stay secure.